And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Hi, boys and girls. You know my channel is Diebulfrog79. Please like or subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. This is a book from my collection. It's over 100 years old, from 1919, end of the First World War. And it's a school book for garden crops for kids. Now, a lot of people forget that during that time period, America was not settled. The East Coast was out west, it was still wild. People were cowboys. It didn't settle down until 1926 and fully became modernized until 1953. Now, a lot of people forget about that. And when they realize that gardening was one of the mainstays, okay, gardening was one of the mainstays for people. Now, in this book, if I could open it up, it's really delicate, so I have to be careful. It has a chapter for Irish potatoes. Now, this is before they had regions, and this is before they knew a lot of stuff that Uncle Alan knew about potatoes and container gardening. This is one we're going to touch it off. We'll Walker Outdoor, Dad on YouTube, and a few other people had potato failures, like the Irish. So this chapter is all about the problems. Now it does do plot and also container gardening. Now there's 6 things that will destroy a potato crop, and it's mentioned in here that I'm carefully going to repeat this quietly. Get my notes out of the way. Repeat this on potato farming for schools and other things, and see home and community and stuff like that. And they had questions. This is a textbook from 1919. Remember Hubble's cat with that pamphlet from 1917? Well, this is the follow through with the book, and was given basically was given out to a lot of middle schools and colleges and high schools on growing food to solve America's hunger problem at the time. Henry Ford backed this up. Now, back to Irish potatoes, okay? Big problem with a lot of people plant is too much water. It could be rainfall, it could be overwatering, it could be a lot of things, bad drainage. Uh, there's a whole bunch of things. Uncle Alan knows what he's doing. 2, it's heat. Now you got a container of the wrong size. You build up too much heat. Roll up your windows and throw your kids in the car. Same effect. You're cooking the potatoes. So a potato plant will look green on top, nothing on the bottom because you're cooking it. That's why you need a soil thermometer if you're doing container growing potatoes in containers. What I didn't mention to Walker was it could be the soil, it could be the potato. There's like 6 different things. Now, boys and girls, on potatoes, you might have the wrong kind of dirt. You might have the wrong kind of potato. Heat, water, disease. Also, the big factor is container size. You think you have a big enough container for potatoes. Potatoes need a long container, not wide or squatty, because basically, if it's black squatty and it's hard for you to lift, you got the wrong kind of container. Okay? Potatoes put out long roots. So if it's not 4 feet or 5 feet long, you just killed your potatoes. Okay? It has to be a certain amount of distance. And I've seen a lot of people grow potatoes in the containers, and I can see by the tops they totally fail on this subject. So I'm keeping this material short. Again, Irish potatoes. This is before certain breeds and stuff. 1919. And also, it's a crop that likes a certain type of soil and weather conditions. Now, if you live out in the desert where I live, I grow sweet potatoes because growing regular potatoes would cook out here because our normal temperature is 90 to 100. Okay? Had to be a climate that's good like Ireland or the Andes to grow potatoes. Now, if you're in Louisiana or South Carolina, it's going to be hard. So you might want to switch to yams and sweet potatoes. Potatoes is a really rugged crop if you know what you're doing on containers. So that's about it, folks. I want to keep this short. Like and subscribe. Leave comments below to Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. And catch you later. Wonder if it stopped. It didn't.